Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the afternoon. Main event boxing. This bout again pits two champions in head-to-head competition. Two champions in head-to-head competition. We've got a St. Paul versus Minneapolis across the river battle going on here today. This is a rematch of a bout that they're trying to get even. Alright? I'm told this is a rematch, ladies and gentlemen. Main event. Referee for this bout. Third person in the ring, referee Scott Erickson. Scott Erickson. Your judges for this bout: Pete Bombeck, Donna Sandberg, Vern Sweeney. Your timekeeper, keeper of the knockdowns, Lily Kronberg. Position at ringside, Joe Cecil. Introducing your boxers. Boxing out of the red corner. This young man hails from the mean streets of Minneapolis, Minnesota. He represents the Circle of Discipline Boxing Club on Lake Street. Ladies and gentlemen, the Minneapolis featherweight Golden Glove champion, Mr. Xavier Griffin. Xavier Griffin. His opponent, boxing out of the blue corner. This young man represents the Rice Street Boxing Club in St. Paul, Minnesota. He is your St. Paul Golden Glove champion. Undefeated. Zumie. Zumie. 3 rounds. Championship boxing main event.
He does all his counts. He's in the air. Nice. When you get in the air, once the count slow down, he's going to get that. Come here, little nigga. I catch you in tight. We got
You got it? Mine died right at this point.
Yeah. Body! Body, Zoo! Body! Oh shoot, come on. Get out of the way. Get out of the way.
I know I am. Thank you. The second person that told me
Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, round number 2. Zumie, Xavier Griffin.
Yeah, I don't know idea. Oh, that's good. That's not my son. That was so young. I agree.
Go, X! Let it go, let it go!
Jab, Zoo! Jab!
I am right behind you.
Good slip. Let some go after that.
Double the jab.
Double jab!
There it is, there it is, there it is. Let it go now. Let it go. Let it go. There it is. Nice.
Double jab!
There it is. Double jab right there. There it is, there it is. Down, stay with it. Double jab right hand. Pick it up, pick it up.
All right, excellent round, guys. Wow.
Ooh, yeah.
There you go now. There you go, over the top. There you go, finish it now. Get off the road. Body head, body head. Your head got to be moving.
Ooh.
Your head still got to be moving. Pick it up now.
I had a friend of mine.
Right hand, left hook, right hand. Right now. There. There it is.
Around the other side.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, close out there. Wow.
Right, dude.
Gentlemen, that was an excellent bout. Main event boxing. Main event boxing.
Blue corner.
We have a winner in the blue corner. Zumie. Big round of applause for Xavier. Excellent bout. Excellent bout. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our show today.